What colors are you using?
Green.
And what are all the colors?
Green. Yeah, I'm Theo.
I am. But what colors are the paint?
Red. Green. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Red.
Very good.
Really like that yellow.
Mm-mm. Your hands aren't that messy. Your hands are supposed to get messy. Get more colors on your hand. You like green, huh? What's your favorite one?
Green.
What are you doing?
Can pick green.
You're going to paint green. That's a lot of green paint.
Really like that yellow.
It's not done yet. You're still painting.
I'm not done.
Are you done with your painting?
Yeah.
But I think it needs more colors. Can you put some red on it?
Yeah! No. Blue.
Blue.
Blue. What's the blue?
That's a lot of blue.
Bounce, 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 bounce.